Welcome back, folks. Check it out. 2011 Nissan Xterra. This is a Pro 4X and it's loaded, folks. Got the Rockford Fosgate boom and sound system. One owner, almost 25 dealer service records. It's got the trailer tow package, leather heated seats, leather steering wheel. Got the big wheels on it, off-road package, luggage rack, and she's a nice one, folks. Ice cold air in here. Switch off 4x4. Only 80,000 miles on a one-owner piece. Power everything inside. Rugged and ready for any climate. Great piece by Nissan, folks. Don't make them anymore. They're hard to find, and this one doesn't have a speck of rust on it. It drives out 110%, and it is going to be available for our guaranteed credit approval program. Starting down payment on a truck like this is $15.95. This is a 2011 with 80,000 miles on it. No accidents, no issues. Beautiful color combo. The right truck, folks. That's the Das Cleveland way. Service contract is included. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Guaranteed credit approval, 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, and 1 hour of your time. And this is the prize. 80,000 mile Xterra, will run forever. Drives fantastic, nice and rugged. Bring on anything in front of you, and this one's going through it. DasCleveland.com.